For the first time in United States history, the Army officially inducts dogs for war. Trained as sentries, messengers, and airplane spotters, they even learn to execute a soldier's close order drill.
The old saying, war is for the dogs, is only partly correct. It's also for the horses, elephants, pigeons, rats, dolphins, camels, sea lions, oxen, chimps, sharks, bees, dragonflies, and even the glowworm. Animals have been recruited into military service for thousands of years. In fact, the use of animals has proven so successful that not one single war in more than 2,000 years has been fought without them. In the fascinating three-part series, Animals on the Frontline, we come face to face with this strange menagerie of recruits and find out what it is that makes them so invaluable in the sea, the sky, and on the land. The ocean is a dangerous place for humans. The limitations of the human body underwater mean an almost total reliance on technology for any successful operation above or below. In the years after World War II, the US Navy began research with sea creatures, including dolphins, sea lions, and beluga whales. Originally studied for their aerodynamics in water, it was quickly realized that these animals were intelligent and capable and could be easily deployed in military operation. Right now, dolphins and sea lions are being used in the Persian Gulf, sweeping the ocean floor in search of anything that might pose a threat. The future use of animals underwater is remote controlled, that is. Current projects at Boston University in Michigan analyse the effects of electrodes inserted into the brain of the sea's most feared species, the shark. Dramatic results have been achieved, with operators remotely controlling the animals to turn in any direction at the push of a button. Gliding almost imperceptibly through water, the shark is destined to become the underwater surveillance operative of the future. Airmail has existed for many years longer in human history than the aeroplane. Pigeon post, as it was known, was first utilised as far back as 780 BC by the Greeks, sending news of Olympic victory around the lands. In the two world wars of modern times, the pigeon became a hero, with several birds going home decorated with medals of honour, valour and bravery. Today it's not so much sending the animal into battle as emulating its ability in the air using the latest in microchip technology. As recently as September 2007, a cluster of UFOs described as looking like mechanical dragonflies was seen hovering above the crowd during a protest rally in Washington. The various defense agencies in the US deny deploying such drones, but all concede that they are developing the technology. So, keep an eye on the next dragonfly you see, because there's every chance it's keeping an eye on you. The utilisation of animals on land includes just about every common animal on Earth. But dogs are by far the oldest example. Great for attack, search and rescue, as messengers, or for locating landmines. It is known that over 120 million landmines are still in the ground somewhere in the world today, and locating them is a top priority. Joining dogs in this important work is Gambianus africanus, or the giant African rat. Trained to smell the explosive compounds used in landmines, they are light, cheap to maintain, easily trained, and can be deployed in large numbers. These same rats can be found in hospital wards across Africa, where they are trained to detect tuberculosis in infected patients. It is estimated that one team of trained rats can analyse over 10,000 samples a day. Animals on the Frontline is a fascinating view of the world in which animals and humans can cooperate together. Much more than a historical documentary series, it is a modern appreciation of the vital role that animals have played in some of the most desperate and dangerous periods of human history. It's an absorbing exposé of the present and a stunning view into the future. Animals on the Frontline presents a picture of war never revealed before and introduces some of the greatest war heroes never known.